In this session, we'll look at navigation and some of the basic terminology used in tests. We'll start by looking at the dashboard. On the left is the main menu, where you'll access most of the functionality in tests. In the upper left corner is a button that will show or hide that menu, which can be especially useful on smaller screens or mobile devices. In the top center of your screen, you can see your trips in progress and upcoming trips, sorted chronologically. You can click the green and white icon to start a new trip. Below your trips, you'll find your tasks due, sorted by the next due first. You can click on the task name to view that task, or on the trip name to view the trip. You can click the checkbox to the right to complete that task. Your view may be a little bit different depending on the size of the screen device you are on, as Tess automatically adjusts to any size device. On the top and to the right, you'll see your month-to-date and year-to-date sales and commissions, with graphs showing this year's sales compared to last year's sales. At the top right of Tess is a quick links menu to create clients, leads, and trips, a bell indicating when you've received a notification, and clicking on your name will allow you to access your profile or to log out of Tess. Going back to the main menu, you'll find your clients under Client Management. Tess focuses on clients to help you build your business, and you'll find them broken into two different categories: clients and client leads. It's very easy to move a client lead to a client. The difference is that clients are people you have an existing business relationship with, and client leads are people that you have a right to market to. There's another video available going into more detail on clients and client leads, showing how to import them and how to create them. Next, we'll look at trips, which you can find under the Trip Management menu. There are three types of trips in tests: a regular trip, a group trip, and a proposal. Trips in tests may be a little different than in other systems that you've used. In tests, you'll always start with a trip, then add one or more bookings to that trip. You may have one booking that covers multiple itinerary items, or several bookings to cover those items. And you'll find additional training videos going into detail on how to set up and manage trips. Last, we'll look at the help desk system in tests. If you're having any trouble or questions, click on Help Desk, then Tickets, then in the upper right corner, click Create Ticket. You can choose a type of ticket, enter a description, and then enter the details for the type of problem you're having. You can also add attachments and formatting. When you're finished, click Save. Responses from the test team will show up underneath your question, and you'll receive an email notification when you've received a reply. You can then click Add Response to add additional information or clarify your question. If you're having trouble logging into the system, or just prefer email, you can send an email to support@travellysolutions.com with your question or problem,